The police have identified two of the victims who succumbed to their injuries in the Melrose Hill Bypass crash on Friday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have released the names of two of the victims who succumbed to injuries in a crash on the Melrose Bypass on Friday morning. The deceased have been identified as 20-year-old Mona Ann Forbes and Eugene Dias of a Trelawney address. The identity of the other male who succumbed to injuries in the two-vehicle crash is still unknown. Reports from the Manchester police are that at about 11:30 a.m., both vehicles were traveling in opposite direction on the roadway when a collision occurred. The police sources stated that 8 people were traveling in both vehicles. 3 of the victims who were in the taxi succumbed to their injuries at hospital. Reports are that the other 13 people were taken to hospital, where some were treated and released while others were admitted in stable condition. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.